Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine watching the videos. Today I am going to make chicken momos. So first of all I will show you what I am going to use. I have taken maida. First I will make the dough. I will make the dough first and keep it aside. I have taken maida, put little bit of oil and make the dough. I have mixed the dough. Now I'll put some oil on it this way and keep it aside. Now for the momos, I have taken chicken minced up. I have taken 250 grams chicken, all minced up, boneless. It's minced up nicely. Now I will show you the ingredients what I'm going to use. So I've chopped up some onions fine, put this in. I've chopped up some ginger also, this also I will put in. I have chopped up some green chilies, this also I will put in. Put some black pepper powder. Put 1 spoon soya sauce. Put some refined oil, 1 spoon. Put some salt to taste. And mix it well. Mix the chicken mince well. I have already put sufficient salt in the chicken mince for the momos, so I did not put any salt to make the dough. Now this is mixed nicely. Now I'll keep this aside and make the balls and roll them out. This is mixed up properly. Now I'll keep this aside. To make the momos, first of all I will put some water in this dishi and let the water boil. By the time the water boils, I will roll out the balls and make the momos. This much water I have put. Now I'll let this be on the fire and let it boil. By the time I get ready with the momos. Friends, I don't have a momo stand to make the momos, so I've got this bowl here. You can see too many holes in this. In this bowl, today I'm going to make the momos. Now I will make the balls with the dough. The dough is ready here. This type I will make the balls. I have made the balls. Now I am going to roll them out. This way I will roll all the balls. This way I have rolled the balls. Now I'm going to put the chicken in this. This type. This type I will make them. This way I will make all the momos. Should not open. This type also I can make. This type also I can make it. This is another type of making. This type. I have made the momos this type. Now I'll let them steam now. I will put it for steaming. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I've taken this bowl. I will put some oil on this way. It won't stick to the container. And now I'll set all these momos here, this type. This type. The water is already boiling here. Now I will put this container on top of this. Now all these momos will cook in the steam. And I will cover it up for about 20 minutes. This will get ready within 20 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes are over. Now I'm going to open this. You can see the momos are cooked up well. Nice it's looking. Now I'm going to take them out. This way in the plate I will take them out. In the same way I will put the next lot also this way and cover it up for 25 minutes. The chicken momo is ready. You can see, you can have it with sauce, chutney. Thank you for watching my video.